Mastering kitchen English. Use a non-stick pan. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through everyday scenarios. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common cooking-related phrase: use a non-stick pan. This phrase is not only about cooking. It's a great way to enhance your English vocabulary and understand specific instructions. So, let's get cooking with language. Use a non-stick pan might seem straightforward, but let's break it down. The phrase combines an action word, use, with a descriptive term, non-stick pan. A non-stick pan is a specific type of cookware designed to prevent food from sticking to its surface, making cooking and cleaning much easier. When someone instructs you to use a non-stick pan, they're guiding you towards choosing the right tool for a hassle-free cooking experience. Why does it matter to use a non-stick pan for certain recipes? This cookware is essential when preparing foods that tend to stick, like eggs, pancakes, or fish. Using a non-stick pan ensures that these delicate items can be cooked and flipped without tearing or breaking, preserving their appearance and texture. It's not just about the outcome. It's also about making the cooking process more enjoyable and less stressful. You'll often hear or see the phrase, use a non-stick pan, in cooking shows, recipes, and cooking classes. It's a specific instruction that highlights the need for the right equipment in achieving the desired result in a recipe. Understanding such phrases is crucial for following recipes accurately and can also be a fun way to expand your English vocabulary in the context of everyday activities. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of the phrase, use a non-stick pan, in both cooking and language learning contexts. Cooking-related English is a tasty way to enhance your vocabulary and practical knowledge. Remember, every phrase you learn can be a stepping stone to fluency. Happy cooking, and even happier learning! We look forward to seeing you in our next video.